Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
You what up, it's your boy Mafon, Zombie Blue, House of Prey, Asian Boys, and gusto rin ako yung great of happy day, si OG Brazil of PBI, yeah. Ang penda permi of stay choy, stay fresh, ayi.
Uy ka, this is Winston ni. May morning sa talan. Gusto lang akong i-greet. Ug happy na birthday pa si Brad Drasel Alcover of Bulacau. Tama ba? Bulacau. Sigma no, Bulacau, Skeptron. Tama? Okay. Happy birthday ni mo dia, bro. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Enjoy. Regards ko nila dia, tanan. Happy birthday.
Yo, what's up? It's your boy, Uncle B, aka Architect. Shout out, so happy birthday sa akong amigo da nga si Drasel Alcover. Happy birthday ni mo da bayot. Hope you will have more birthdays to come. More blessings. Peace.
Yo, happy birthday, Boss Drasel. Bueng. Happy birthday, Pam Sargao. Maduwa ko sa tino kanindot kay balod, pero happy birthday sa imong hadira. Enjoy sa imong adlaw kay mag-enjoy sa ko dire. Ang sapa teray. Ko sa board kay do aman ta. Right. Happy birthday, boss.
Hey, yo, what's up? My adla mga homies. This is DJ Janner from JC Blue Records. I would like to greet a happy birthday to brother Drasel Alcover. Brad, happy birthday. Amping kanunay diha sa kung asa manggaron dilang tamang saba. Isa na kaybaw lang. Brad, amping kanunay yung long live.
Yo, what's up? Fraternal greetings to everyone. I just want to greet a happy birthday to Brad Drasel, no? Brother, wa ko lain masulti nimo kundi og unta hatagan pa kag taas nga kinabuhi sa Ginoo nga mulugway pagayod, and then keep serving alpacaparo, no? Nya, keep the fire burning. Nya, always humble and human we shall be. This is ISTUY from 311 Street, Roro Chapter. Nagigugma ni mo kanunay. Long live!
Yo, what's up? This is Double OG Cookie, B-Side 21st Gen and Vigilante Crypt 27th Gen, and I just want to greet a very happy birthday to one of the grand OGs of KBI 38th Street. That's OG Drasel. Happy birthday to you. Wishing you all the best. I hope you're enjoying your day. Hope to see you soon, and keep that motherfucking V's and C's up all day, every day.
Yo, what up? Double OG Din Show, B Crips, Magundan, 56 Gen. Ako na i-greet og happy birthday ang pusa sa haligi sa KBI, si OG Drasel. Yo, what up, G? Happy birthday ni mo diha. Wish you good health, enjoy your day. See you soon, homie.
Lows up. I want to greet my grand OG Drasel. Happy birthday, my G. And God bless always. O sa tibuok ni mong pamilya. From Mag-Hawaii KBI, OG Wawex. Sis up, my G. Happy birthday.
Yo, mga adlaw sa tanan. Flaco day. aka Boss G, Asian Boys, Kimori Vape Shop. I just want to greet, no, happy birthday to OG Drasel of KBI, no. Then usasad sa ako ang mga brother sa Alpacaparo. Bro, wishing you a best life ever, no. Kabaw ko nga usa ka sa mga B1s, then sabi-sabi na ta since 2012. So unta bro, kung asa makakaron, tagal kaming lawas sa Ginoo, at the same time malipayon ta ka karon nga birthday. Kabaw na ka bro, wan ko lawir ako.
What's up? I would like to greet of happy birthday, 37th birthday by OG Drasel. God bless and more birthdays to come from OG Lucio. Website.
What's up? I just want to greet a happy birthday to Grand OG Drasel. Sis up, bro. 38th Street.
Good morning, Drasel. Happy birthday. May tao okay ra ka diya sa kung asa ka karon. Naka sa Japan. Pagamping pero media, bro. Happy birthday day.
Happy 37th birthday, bro Russell. Amping kanunay, bro.
Happy birthday, Grand OG Russell. I hope makapasig ka kadri sa full sa tagong soon pohon OG na makapasig ka kadri. Happy birthday, enjoy your life OG, and more birthday to come. Keep safe. Angela to the flip side.
Here we go.
Happy birthday, bro Russell Alcover. From Birthday Tasty.
Saka naman, mag-sponsor ko na sila og motis. Shirt. MMA shirt. Happy birthday, bro!
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
A bliss greetings to founder Bro Brazil. Happy birthday to you. Wish you have a good health. Amping kanunay uban sa imong pamilya, bro. God bless. See you soon. Kita-kits pohon.
Good morning. I would like to greet happy birthday to our founder, Russell Alcover of New Guardians Incorporated, Lapu-Lapu City Council. Founder, mabuhay ka. O mahinaot ko nga daghan pang mga kasakit, kalipay o himaya pa ang imong matagamtaman. Mabuhay ka, founder. Once again, happy birthday.
Good morning. So, Russell, my brad. My skip from brad. My only brad. And, happy birthday, bro. Today is your birthday. Enjoy your day today, and akong wish na mo good health, and amping pamilya. Tandaan niya guys, dali kayo magalo-halo ta asang baso. So, good morning and happy birthday to you, boy guardians.
Hey yo, what's up, Founder Russell? Happy birthday for tomorrow. Greetings. Unta ang imong life karon nga successful, magpadayon pa antud sa antud o healthy body og sa imong pamilya. God bless and happy birthday.